You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your email name in your Google account using your iPhone. This is the name people see when you send them an email, and yes, you can update it right from the Gmail app. Let's get into it. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the pop-up, select Manage Your Google Account. Once you're in the account settings, swipe over to the Personal Info tab. Under the Basic Info section, tap on Name. Now just enter your new first and last name or whichever part you want to update. When you're done, tap Save to apply the changes. This new name will now show up in the emails you send. Just keep in mind, it might take a little while before the change appears across all Google services. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get your email name updated, give the video a like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more quick and clear iPhone tutorials. See you later.